In today's video, we will try to learn how to create stock units. For this, go with create, then select unit under inventory masters, then put the symbol like pieces, PCS. Formal name is pieces, PI. Another one like liters. Formal name is liters. Another like packet. Formal name is packet, full name. Another one like kilo. Formal name is kilogram. Now we will try to see what we just created. For this, press escape button. Now go with alter, then select unit. Here we can see what we just created. We can delete any one of these from here. Thanks for watching.